Let's give you a typical geometric series question. So I'm expecting you to know the formula. And the question is that you have a geometric series, meaning there's a common ratio. So you times this by r, you times this by r, you times this by r, and so on. And the question says that A4, the fourth term, is 8 times larger than the first term. And when you add up the first 10 terms, it comes to this. And your job is to find the 10th term. So to do this, let's find r. So the fourth term is 8 times larger. If you look at this, you times r, you times r, you times r. So you times r 3 times. So you know that this term here would be the first term, a1, times r 3 lots. 1, 2, 3. And you're told that this thing here is 8 times larger than the first term, A1. 8 times larger than the first one. So there, you can put it into an equation and then find r. So r, the two a's will cancel each other out. Take the cube root of both sides. So r equals 2. So all you know, well, what you know is that your sequence is times 2 each time, where the common ratio is 2. So now that you know r, you can try and find the first term. Once you know the first term, then multiply by r 9 times, 1, 2, to find the 10th one, because your job is to find the 10th term. So we know the common ratio is 2. Hang on. We know the common ratio is 2. Use this formula, which I'm expecting you to know. If you want to sum up the first nth term, then use this formula. So in the question, it says that the first 10 terms comes up to this. So let's put it into the formula. So that will then give you this 0.5 equals. So you put it into here. The first term, which is what we're trying to find, because if we can find the first term, then we can jump to the 10th term. So we want to find A1. 1 take away, the common ratio is 2 to the power of, well, here's n. So in our case, n is 10, because we want to find the 10th term, divided by 1 take away 2. And then now it's just a matter of finding A1. So you get this divided by this, and don't forget this is just a number. Jump to your calculator. I did it earlier. A1 turns out to be 2.5. 2.5. So what that means is our first term is 2.5. Our first term is 2.5, and then all we need to do is jump 9 times. So A10 would be the first term, 2.5, times the common ratio, 2 to the power of, well, 9 times. We're going to jump to 9. Jump to your calculator, did it earlier, and it comes up to 1280. So our fourth term here, our 10th term, A10, will be this number here. Okay?